Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. On this channel, what I do basically is to bring updates on various opportunities that can give you access to make money online. So right here, in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to make some money online in Nigeria. So you can be making money here by following the step that I'll be showing you when you sign up on this platform. So here is a platform. It is a freelance platform where it's a freelance marketplace where you get to engage and make money after completing few tasks. These are micro tasks are available here. So and you can literally perform them, and as simple as they are, and you get paid. So and it's just a platform just like the one we know as Naira Worker and Pico Worker and other side gig under related platform like that, where you can get to work as a freelancer and get paid. And also you can post your job opportunities, assuming you have a job or task you want people to perform for you. You can get to post it here. So these are the options you can carry out here to make money online. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to engage these two options and use them to make money on daily basis using this particular platform. So right here, I am on my screen. What you need to do is to click on the link in the description of this video, and then it will take you straight to this platform. So what you need to do next is to follow the step guide that I will be showing you right here now. So once you are on your dashboard, so this is actually my dashboard. So what I need to do now is to scroll down, and I'll locate this particular option. So the first option you are seeing here is post job. So assuming you have a job you want to post, you want people to like your YouTube channel or to subscribe, you want people to like your Facebook post, you want people to watch a video, you want people to tweet or to retweet on Twitter, you want people to follow, install Android app, and much more. You can simply do that by posting the job right here using this particular option. Now, the way to do that is to simply click on this post job. So I'll teach you the step guide on how to post job here, and also how to perform job and make money online in Nigeria using this particular platform called Proficient Workers. So when you click on post job now, so the next thing you're going to do is to wait for the page to load up. So you now scroll down and then select the category where the job you want to post belongs to. So if it is a sign up, which can either be to submit an email or to simply sign up, or a complex sign up, you can simply use this particular option. So or if you want people to follow or like or comment or do both using this particular uh, option here, so you can simply post the job by clicking on this particular Instagram or YouTube. The same goes when you scroll down, you see other various options such as watch a YouTube video up to 3 minutes, and each particular task has its own fee which you are expected to pay. That is why they are being uh, listed here on separate columns. So the next thing you're going to do is to scroll down and locate the particular category of the job that you want people to perform. So that is why you need to follow this particular guides here. So if you want people to install app or to actually join a forum, you can simply select any of these ones here. Or Twitter, same goes like that. So if you actually choose to go with any of these options, for instance, let's click on this particular one, which is YouTube. So you simply click on YouTube. So what you need to do is to click on YouTube. Okay, so guys, when you you've selected the category of job you want to post. For instance, if you want to go by any of this, you simply click on this. When you tap on this uh particular option, it will scroll you down. You just need to click downward and come to this place. You locate summary. So under this subcategory, you need to choose what you want people to do. If it is simple sign up, you can do that here, or if it is a complex sign up, you can actually do that here. So now you need to select the available position. So if you want people to perform 25, if you need 25 workers to do this job, you can select it here. So that is actually the minimum you can pick. Now the amount you want to pay for them to complete this job, you can simply go through the job that others have posted on this platform, and know actually how they did that, and know the actual price that they want workers to earn for performing the job. Now after you have done this, now you have to click on calculate total job cost to know the total amount you are expected to deposit in order to use that and pay for this job updates that you want to drop on this platform. Now you can simply uh, put the amount here. So the available fund for job posting will be reflected here. Then you click on accept. Then you publish your job. That is all you need to do. Now you come down and you click on the job title. So then you follow this step again and put what you want people to do in order to get this job done. And after that, you now write down the required proof of completed job. So when people complete job, what do you want them to submit for you in order to get them approved? So at least now when you are done with that, you simply click on post. So successfully your job will be uploaded. You wait for approval so that people will start seeing the job and they get it done for you within a specified period of time. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is to show you how to perform job and get paid as a worker on this platform or as a freelancer. So what you need to do is to click on job now, available job. So the next you're going to do is to scroll down and you see the list of tons of jobs, job title. So this is job title here. Now this is the payment or the amount you'll be paid. So and they already done part of the job. And also when you scroll by your right, you will see that the target is this particular job is still available because the target is 292 jobs have been completed. Then posted date is just this particular date you are seeing here, and then you can proceed with this button. So when you click on view, if you want to perform this job, so you first of all scroll down and then you will need to read this description very well. So what this job detail is talking about is that you need to go to, first of all, go to this website. Then the website is a risk management discussion board. Then you said register and verify your email. Kindly note the forum only accept the use of a public email address such as Yahoo, Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, or AOL email for registration. Then the third instruction here is log into your account, complete your complete your profile and upload your profile picture. You won't get paid if your profile is not fully completed. So once you sign up on this platform, if you want to perform this particular job or any other job you've chosen to complete, you just need to read the instruction, then you proceed with the required proof that task was completed. So after performing the task, the next thing you're going to do is to submit the required proof that job was completed by you. So what you are required to do here is to your name and the username used to register on the website. Now that is the first thing you are expected to submit. The second thing you are expected to submit is the date you completed the registration. So, and the next thing you are going to submit is a screenshot of your account completed profile. Then and it's saying you won't get paid if your profile is not fully completed. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down and see the screenshot sample of what you are expected to submit after the end of this job. Now you can simply get to see that this is actually, you can zoom this out and see what you are expected to submit. So this is actually the sample of the screenshot. When you get to sign up on this platform for this job, then you take the screenshot like this and submit right here on this platform. Now the next thing you are going to do is to put your name and the required proof that the job was completed by you. Then you click on this choose file to upload the screenshot. After that, if it is more than one, you can upload again and then proceed with submit proof. So immediately the job is approved, you will get paid 31 naira for this particular job. So if you can be able to complete tons of job on daily basis here, you can expect to be making at least 500 naira on daily. Then, and the minimum withdrawal here is 1750 naira, which you can literally withdraw into your bank account without any delay. So to put your withdrawal details, what you need to do is to click on this wallet, then you proceed here. Now you will come down and see that your details have been provided here. So now you can go ahead and then request for withdrawal. Immediately you get up to the minimum withdrawal here. So you can literally request for withdrawal by tapping on this payment request. So you tap on this payment request and it will take you to the next step. The minimum withdrawal, as you can see, it is written boldly here, is 1750. So and this can be paid directly into your bank account that you've actually added on this platform. So for those that will be posting jobs, what you need to do is to deposit money first into this platform so that you can be able to use it and book workers that will work for you on this platform. So if you have any need of job that you want people to do for you, you can literally do that by making deposit through Flutterwave's bank transfer, which will automatically reflect here under deposit balance. Then for the earnings, those that will be working on this platform as freelancers that will be performing micro jobs or gigs here, the earnings that will be generating will also reflect under earnings. So these are the options available here that you can actually make use of as a worker or as other aspect of a freelancer. So guys, thank you for watching. This is actually one of the opportunity you can maximize here, and I've actually shown you the step guides you need to follow to make money online using this particular forum. Now as you can see here, there are about 208,000 plus tasks completed already on this platform, to show you that people have actually been working and been making money online using this particular platform. So also to refer people whom you want to get to know about this opportunity, you can literally make use of this referral option to get your referral address and get them in while they make money online using this platform too. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, you can simply do that so that you won't get to miss any opportunity that I share here on my channel. So thank you guys for watching.